Did you know that drinking water upside down can stop hiccups in their tracks? This quirky trick works by resetting your diaphragm's rhythm, which is often the culprit behind those pesky hiccups. When you drink in this unusual position, you create a change in pressure that can help your diaphragm relax and return to its normal pattern. It's like a quick reboot for your respiratory muscles. Next time you're battling the hiccups, grab a glass of water and try bending over to sip it upside down. It's a simple, gravity-defying hack that might just save you from the awkwardness of hiccuping in silence. No more holding your breath or jumping up and down, just a fun and effective way to find relief. Give it a shot, and you might discover your new favorite hiccup cure.